Justin, win number 2 on the books, and I tell you what about those restarts holding off David Riley?
Well, I hate to see that caution come out. Just that's something a guy out front doesn't like to see. But I knew the scoreboard ain't working, but I knew I had some fast cars behind me, and I had to give it that little extra oomph going into one down there and try to secure it where I could really run my own race. I really had to drive in kind of deep to make sure I hung on to it, and especially to hang on to it coming off a 2. Once that got out there, like I said, where I could run my own line, when you know it's in the back of your mind, you got 6 or 7 fast cars behind you that are capable of winning every week. And this class has been so competitive this year. We've only had myself and Jimmy Moreland are the only 2 in this class to win 2 features, but there for a while we had 6 features, 6 different winners, so it makes it feel good to have number 2 on the season.
Well, Justin, we could definitely see you hard on the wheel coming by each time. I've got to ask you, you're the defending track champion here coming in tonight. There's 2 more points races following tonight, and it was just 10 points separating the top 3. Of course, you'll gain ground now with this win. Tell us about that, trying to repeat as the track champion.
Well, we started out the year, we wasn't going to run for points. We was just going to go and have fun. I work a lot out of town, so it was just, we won the track championship last year, and which was an accomplishment. As only my 3rd year in a car, and we made up our minds this year we wasn't going to run for points. But every race, it never fails. Through the middle of the week, you're looking on the internet and checking the points, and it's going to come down to the last race.
It definitely has that making for sure. Tell you what, Justin, to give you the fine chance to thank these great people right here at Victory Lane and your sponsors help put you right here in Victory Lane once again at Allegheny County Speedway.
I'd like to thank my dad and Justin. They're right there every week, and we had a real good friend pass away, and Richard Duckworth, and he'd call Dad every Sunday morning to see how we did. And so I feel we had someone watching out for us tonight, but it's a terrible loss, but what can you do? But I'd just like to thank them and Glass Service of Cumberland, Carpenters and Millwrights Local 1024, Mulligan's, Crescent Racing Engines, Jimmy with Iser's Towing. Yeah, he's helped me out a lot. We kind of help work on each other's cars and that, but just everybody that stops by the garage. I mean, no matter how big or how small, everybody plays a contributing part. So I'd just like to thank everybody.
Sounds great. Congratulations, Justin.
Thanks.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, nice round of applause for Justin Michael here in Victory Lane in the Hobby Stock Division.